Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Saher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. Today is the last day of the year 2023, and I wanted to film a video where I am talking to you guys about everything that happened in 2023 and taking you guys through my journey on YouTube and life as well. And this will be the last video of the year 2023, so I like to reflect upon everything that has happened in 2023 and kind of go through and mentally motivate and prepare myself for the coming year. So if you are interested to watch this video, thank you so much, and please watch it till the end. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification button and share it with your friends and family members. So let's get on with the video. So for me, the year 2023 in terms of YouTube has been quite decent. Earlier मैंने एक गोल बनाया था to reach 3000 subscribers, but I did not see that as realistic. As जैसे जैसे दिन गुजरते गए, I couldn't find myself believing in that goal. So I changed my goal in June to kind of reach 2000 subscribers. And at the starting of the year मेरे 1200 something या 1300 के बीच में subscribers थे. आज अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैंने 2000 सब्सक्राइबर्स रीच कर लिए हैं, एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी अबाउट दैट. So realistically speaking, I had a growth of 800 odd subscribers, and देखने को तो नहीं लगेगा कि कुछ बहुत बड़ा तीर मार लिया है, बट फॉर मी इट वाज रियली बिग, बिकॉज आई नो कितना डिफिकल्ट था टू गेट 800 सब्सक्राइबर्स थ्रू आउट द ईयर. एंड थोड़ा थोड़ा तिनका तिनका करके यहाँ तक आने में जो मेहनत लगी है मुझे पता है. सो आई एम रियली रियली प्राउड ऑफ माई जर्नी एंड द फैक्ट दैट आई वॉज एबल टू अचीव 2000 subscribers. I am really really proud of that. The biggest update I wanted to give, and the second thing that I felt was really good was I got paid for the first time during this particular year. तो इससे पहले I hadn't had any financial gains. We're happy about that as well. So yeah, this June I got first payment from YouTube, so that was a big journey for me in that aspect as well. And the other thing that I'm super happy is the fact that I was able to make all sorts of videos. Like I did travel, I did a little bit of fashion, I did lifestyle, I did blogging, I did makeup, I did a lot of review videos, worked with amazing brands. So that another thing is a biggest milestone, that I felt that I am versatile in making any sort of videos, and I am looking forward to making more videos. So we'll talk about what I'm expecting in 2024 in a little bit. Now coming to the personal aspect of things, 2023 was not a very good year in terms of my personal space. I generally never talk about it on YouTube, especially if it's not that great. I don't talk about it because यूट्यूब एक ऐसा पेज है जहाँ पे हम लोग सब कुछ छोड़ के एक मेंटल ब्रेक के लिए आते हैं, कुछ अच्छा देखने के लिए आते हैं. दैट इज़ व्हाट आई बिलीव इन. सो कहीं पे छोटा मोटा ऐसे शेयर कर दिया कि तबीयत ख़राब है, ऐसे कुछ हो गया, वैसे कुछ हो गया, ठीक है, बट इन डिटेल्ड बैठ के रोना, आई नेवर हैव डन दैट, एंड आई डोंट थिंक आई विल डू दैट इन द नेक्स्ट ईयर एज वेल, इंशाल्लाह. एंड या दैट इज़ द थिंग. एंड I completely lost the chain of thought of कि मैं क्या बोलना चाह रही थी. But yes, 2023 was a very, you know, on your face, hit with reality kind of a year for me. I had a very big dream for this particular year which was not achieved, and I kind of came into sense that that goal might never be achieved, and I had to kind of make peace with that, because that was my goal I think for the last 5 7 years, and I'm still trying to make peace with the fact that that particular goal that I had of, what I wanted to achieve in life, like my biggest dream, is not going to be possible, which is all right. And I just realized that my nails are dirty. Excuse me for that, because हमारे घर पे बहुत carpentry work चल रही है. I've just been cleaning around. तो इसीलिए मेरे हाथ गंदे गंदे लग रहे हैं, क्योंकि जितना भी साफ कर लूँ हर जगह धूल है. 1 2 दिन लगेंगे सेटल करने में. विच वेज, aside from that fact, see, whenever I talk about some personal loss, I kind of digress to another topic. That's how I cope with loss or any sad news, that my mind immediately wants to shift to something happy thoughts or something that I'm happy about, right? So that is what I do typically, and I want to change that in 2024 and start addressing my problems the way they are. सर्टन थिंग्स हमारे हाथ में नहीं होती हैं, एंड जो भी ऊपर वाले की मर्जी होती है वो ही होता है. So you just have to make peace with it and try to find ways to deal with that situation, and that is what I need to learn in 2024. That is my biggest personal goal, and that is what I want to achieve as well. So that is what I am thinking for 2024. Yeah, and the other thing that I'm thinking is to remove people from my life that don't add value in my life. So I have pretty much, from I think past October-ish, I've started already doing that. Like, I've already started implementing that. Like, removing people from my life that don't add value in my space. So that I have pretty much started doing, and I kind of feel much better doing that. So I want to continue doing that in the next year, hopefully, inshallah, again, fingers crossed. So yeah, that is the entire thing that I've summarized for 2024. I want to work on myself, for myself, and feel at good mental space. So I want to feel mentally calmer, mentally enriched, mentally also little bit sorted. I can't say all sorted, हम लोग कोई भी perfect नहीं है. So I don't want to keep very very big high goals and then not be able to achieve them. So any which ways, this is my biggest goal that I have set for myself in 2024. Now coming to what I want to do for YouTube. So basically I am thinking of doing more vlogs and makeup, in kind of tone down on reviews a bit, because I want to make use of all the makeup that I have. And obviously it's मेरा सबसे बड़ा ड्रॉबैक 2023 में ये था कि मैं बहुत चीज़ें खरीद रही थी, बट मैं टाइम नहीं दे पा रही थी टू मेक रिव्यू वीडियोज़, बिकॉज इतने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स लॉन्च होते हैं, एंड यू जस्ट वांट टू बी लाइक वांट टू ट्राई न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स आउट, वांट टू मेक श्योर दैट you are uploading the video so that you also get views. At the end of it, it's all about the views game as well. So I want to keep a balance between me making content that I really like, plus also adding into the value of what you guys would like. So I want to keep a balance between that, so that I don't feel the FOMO that I'm missing out on things, and I want to be able to enjoy the things that I review and give you honest opinions, like trending products but honest opinions. That is what I was thinking, ki reduce on the reviews, more of vlogs, more of travel videos. And travel videos is not in my hands. I don't know how my health will take me, what is going to happen. That is not in my hands. But at least vlog videos, that is in my hands. Makeup videos, that can be in my hands. So that is what I am aiming for the next 2024. The other thing that I wanted to achieve was, I'm keeping a very realistic goal. So right now I'm at 2000 something subscribers, and I want to achieve 3000 in this particular year. Good if it goes to 4 5 whatever, but I want to achieve 2024 May 3000 सब्सक्राइबर्स। मेरे मन में 4 है, बट मैं अपने आप को बोल रही हूँ कि रियलिस्टिक रख ले, पॉसिबल हो ऐसा वाला गोल रख ले। तो 2024 में मैं सोच रही हूँ कि एटलीस्ट मैं 3000 सब्सक्राइबर्स रीच कर जाऊँ, एंड दैट विल बी रियली रियली ग्रेट इफ़ आई एम एबल टू डू दैट। 2023 में एक और चीज़ हुई कि यू must have been seeing what is happening in the world right now, and that sort of hit me really really deep, and that changed a lot of things for me. So I want to kind of, you know, be very careful of how I want to be able to reciprocate well in terms of my religion. I want to practice it just the way I was doing it way back when. So I want to kind of, change and make small changes in terms of religion aspect as well. I have certain ideas in mind as to how I want to go about things. In case I do that, I will obviously share my journey with you guys over here, but I want to change that as well. I want to be more inclined towards my religion. That is what I am aiming also in 2024. Some of my goals that I have planned, and I wanna in 2024 I want to buy at least something in gold, like at least something in gold. That's always been the case. जब मैं पढ़ाई भी कर रही होती थी ना, तो I used to always get the scholarship money and I used to buy something gold, like rings or earrings or something or the other. I want to start that again, and I also want to read a lot of books. I want to get back into that habit of reading books. So a lot of people ask how I speak this decent English is because I used to read a lot of books, and I want to get back into that because I myself find myself stuttering and not finding the right words, and जो आदत होती है to speak English वो थोड़ी सी छूटती जा रही है, and I want to, like, read books because that also helps you a lot mentally. So that is the another goal, and I want to make better and better content. Like every content creator would obviously think, they want to make better and better content. I want to get out of my comfort zone and do more of fashion content, which I have done itty bitty there here there. I think, like, अगर मैं 100% में सर्कल में से लूँ तो मैं हार्डली एक 2 to 5% किया होगा फैशन, एंड आई वांट टू डू दैट मोर दिस कमिंग ईयर. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट इज़ द प्लान. सोच रही हूँ कि 2024 में मैं कैमरा ख़रीद लूँ. देखते हैं, आई एम नॉट श्योर. मैं अभी भी ख़रीद सकती थी, बट आई फेल्ट लाइक आई डिडंट डिज़र्व इट येट, एंड मेरा गोल था कि अगर मैं 3000 सब्सक्राइबर्स रीच कर लूँगी तो मैं कैमरा लूँगी, बट वो गोल हुआ नहीं है. तो इंशाल्लाह अगर 2024 में वो रीच हो जाता है तो फिर मैं कैमरा ज़रूर ख़रीदूँगी. um, that's all. So I hope I have not prolonged this video, and I hope you will help me with this journey. तो अब तक आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है, इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो नहीं करा है, तो जाके फॉलो कर लो. आई विल ट्राई माई लेवल बेस्ट टू ट्राई एंड अचीव at least all of these goals, and I've kept it very realistic. I don't know why this prompt patch. I always get tanned in this area. No matter how much foundation I apply, it looks like I've applied nothing. Anyway, which was मैं अभी notice कर रही हूँ. That's fine. That's fine. I've had this makeup for quite a long time. आज मैं बाहर भी गई थी. Nothing special. We just went for a dinner. So थोड़ा बहुत मेकअप तो उतर ही गया है. But yeah, stay tuned, and happy new year in advance. I will see you guys next year. Bye bye. Toodles. Mwah.